So we've had this vehicle on the road for about 2 months now, going to senior sites, residential centers, retirement communities, mobile home parks, assisted living facilities. The last vehicles we had were diesel vehicles. We actually got them in 1998, so they were pretty old. Bookmobiles usually have an average lifespan of 10 to 15 years. We had to use a generator which used diesel fuel, and the generator itself was very loud and emitted a very stinky smell. The upgrades that the vehicle has are that we're able to power all of our activities and programming off of our batteries and not use any fossil fuels. So our LED lights, air conditioning, which we didn't have before. We have a TV monitor on the outside that we're going to use for training and workshops. All of that is being powered by the battery. So we really try to focus on serving library deserts. So whether it's from financial restraints or physical mobility restraints, we try to target folks who would otherwise have a difficult time getting to a library branch. We try to fill that gap in service. So it really makes a difference in our patrons' lives that we're able to bring these books right to their front door. During the pandemic, so March 2020, the library closed and the bookmobiles were pulled off the road as well. And we stayed in contact with some of our older adult patrons because the bookmobile visit is often their only social interaction for the month.
We've been so blessed to have the bookmobile come here once a month. Many people here don't have cars, transportation, and Neil is wonderful. He knows our likes and dislikes after a while.
There's certain people that come out to the library truck every month. So we look forward to seeing them, especially if we haven't seen them in a week or so. Also, if they're sick or something, they can ask one of us to get their library books.
Absolutely thrilled that they came during COVID because there was nothing else to do, and this is a retirement area. We all just read.
The bookmobile team was the first in the library system to be serving patrons again. We were back out on the road in July 2020. Our services did look different. The city wanted to distribute hotspots to bridge the digital divide, and mobile services was front and center with distributing those hotspots to the community. In addition, we also partnered with other organizations to promote the census. And we did accept ballots on the road during the height of the pandemic as well. Serving our senior patrons becomes such a personalized customer service interaction, and it actually builds a really strong relationship. And patrons are so appreciative, especially our older adult patrons, about how much time we take to get to know them, give them excellent personalized customer service, and give them that social interaction that they might otherwise be missing. This is an opportunity for them to come out and see other residents at their living facility and to talk to library staff. Mobile Services does a great job filling those library gaps and those out in the community to folks that can't otherwise get to the library building.